Hey, what is going on guys, Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison video with the Honor View 10 against the OnePlus 5T. Both of these phones have 6GB of RAM to keep this speed test as fair as possible. Now with that being said, let's get started. Starting off with the Fingerprint Reader, both of them unlock at the same time, so it's a draw. Before running all the apps, you can see there are no apps running in the background. Now the first app to be opened up will be the Camera app. And they both open up at the same time. The grid lines might have been different, but we'll call it a draw here. With the browser test, it will be Chrome, and we will be using the Verge website. Going on to the Verge website, the OnePlus 5T loaded up the advert first. Now just scroll down to load up all the thumbnails, and again the advert loaded up first on the OnePlus 5T, so it gets the win here. Next will be the Amazon website. And they're pretty much the same speed. Moving on to Hot UK Deals. And they both loaded up at the same time. Adobe Photoshop. So I'll just load up the same photos, and it's about the same time. Microsoft Word, I'll load up a default template, and they load it up at the same time. YouTube, so it loaded up faster on the Honor View 10. Now finding a video the same on both of these devices was a bit tricky, hence the longer time here. And again we have to watch the advert, so the initial opening up was faster on the Honor View 10. So let's play a video and let that run in the background. Moving on to the first game will be Asphalt Extreme. The OnePlus 5T looks like it's taking the lead. And it has. So now that they are running, leave them in the background. Super Mario Run. Okay, slightly fast on the Honor View 10. It's important to see which one loads up the game first, and it's the Honor View 10. Skyforce. Okay, slightly faster on the Honor View 10. Yep, it has taken the lead here. Sonic Forces. And it's slightly faster on the Honor View 10 again. Spider-Man Unlimited. And it's slightly faster on the OnePlus 5T. And the last game will be Temple Run 2. Can the OnePlus 5T catch up? Oh, and it's loading a bit fast here. And it's gone to the title screen before the Honor View 10. So the scores right now are neck and neck. So I'll just load up the game. And as usual, let it run in the background. Now this is like a bonus clip. I'll just include it just to show you how the Wi-Fi speeds do on both of these phones. I'll speed up the video here for the sake of speeding up this video so we can get straight to the results. Okay, so the download speed was faster on the Honor View 10 and the upload faster on the OnePlus 5T. So we can call it a tie. Time for the rerun. So with the camera app, they both opened up at the same time. Chrome. The OnePlus 5T had to reload the page. Hot UK deals. They both opened up in RAM. Photoshop. So the OnePlus 5T had to reload the photo. Microsoft Word. So the OnePlus 5T actually backed out of the document. YouTube. Now the OnePlus 5T is playing the video, so it gets the win here. Asphalt Extreme. Okay, so the OnePlus 5T had to restart the game. Super Mario Run. Again, the same thing here, the OnePlus 5T had to restart the game. Skyforce. They both have it open in RAM. Sonic Forces. And they both have it in RAM again. Spider-Man Unlimited. And again, they are running in RAM. Temple Run 2. And once again, it is a draw. And the last one, Speed Test. And they are both running in RAM. Time for the Geekbench 4 test. Both of these phones are on the latest update at the time of recording. I'll be starting off with the CPU benchmark, and I'll cut the video short so we can get straight to the results. So the OnePlus 5T finished at 4 minutes, with the Honor View 10 following 4 seconds later. The scores are ever so slightly higher on the OnePlus 5T. Now moving on to the compute test. And once again, I'll cut the video short so we can get straight to the results. And here the OnePlus 5T finished about 7 seconds earlier than the Honor View 10. However, the score is higher on the Honor View 10 by about 1,000 points. So there you have the results. In round 1 it was a tie. However, in round 2 the Honor View 10 finished on top with 4 points. I was quite surprised by this, as the Honor View 10 is running a skinned version of Android, whereas the OnePlus 5T is running a very close to stock version of Android. Now, does this change your opinion? Which one will you be buying, the OnePlus 5T or the Honor View 10, as they are priced very similar? Now, having said that, the OnePlus 5T did win in the camera comparison. I'll leave a card up for that video. If you enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe if it's your first time here, as I have more videos coming up, including the review of the Honor View 10. Like always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch up with you in the next video.